All right, we're going to solve this one for y. We need to look at whatever side y is on, and we got to move anything that's not y. So I'm going to take this 3x, and it's actually a positive 3x. So I'm going to subtract 3x because that's the opposite operation. And whatever I do to one side, I got to do to the other. So 3x minus 3x is 0. That cancels out. Now, 7 minus 3x we actually can't do because they're not like terms. There's no x attached to the 7. So here's what we got to do. And this is possibly where a mistake was made. We have to drop this whole thing, including the negative out front. Now, if we look at this, there's a negative 1. It's a negative 1y. So we really got to pay attention when it's just negative y. We've got to drop the negative in front to make it negative y. And if you want to write the 1, that's fine. Equals, and I'm going to put the x in front, negative 3x plus 7. Now, if you just left it as y equals negative x plus 7, you would have gotten b as your answer because you might have forgotten the negative. But because there's a negative, we've got to divide by negative 1. We divide both sides by negative 1. Okay, because negative 1 times y, opposite operation. Now, I've got to divide each thing on this side by negative 1. We have y equals negative 3x divided by negative 1 is positive 3x. Positive 7, keeping the sign out front, divided by negative 1 is negative 7. So our correct answer here, y equals 3x minus 7, is going to be A.